can't see it all. Even if I could, it'll all be great. Put your picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad.